Hey my Minkies! Today I will be doing a tag. This is different from my regular videos that I usually do. I don't normally do tags and I said I wasn't going to do any tags, but I said, you know what? Doing tags is a great way to support my sisters or any of my brothers here on the YT and my friends here on the YT. It's also a great way to share other people's channels, support other people, and also get to know others on the YT. So, and I have a good family here on the YT, so I think I'm going to continue to do these tags. The only thing is, the reason why I stopped doing them is because I couldn't get around to do all of them, and I always want to support everybody. It's the same thing as the lives. Like, I can't actually be on everybody's lives, and I can't stay on there long because I'm super busy throughout the day and night. So it's like, I'll be like, you know what, I'm just not going to do it at all. So if I just pop up on your live, or if I just pop up with doing a tag for you, that means I have time for it. So I just decided I'm gonna go ahead and do this tag for my sis Forever Mimi St. Patrick's Day tag. If you don't know who Forever Mimi is, guys, go and support her channel. I will put her name right here so you can go subscribe to her. She has many things on her channel. She has food recipes, grocery hauls. She also does cleaning. She does decorations, crafts. She goes to doctor's appointments, does vlogs, many different things, guys, on her channel. So please go and subscribe to her, show her some love, and also tell her Mink sent you if you haven't already been subscribed to her already. So number one, what is your favorite green? My favorite green is neon green. Isn't that like a fun color? That is a very fun color. I love that color green. Number two, what is your favorite green item of clothing? Okay, so I don't wear green that much, but guys, this would have to be it right here. And I can't show the whole full shirt, but it says drink up Grinches. It's Christmas. And I'm so mad because I don't really get a chance to wear that shirt. And it's so cute. I really love it. You don't really find shirts like that around here. So, next question. What is your favorite green food or drink? I don't really have a green drink. Not that I know of. I don't really drink green drinks. I did, however, I know it can't be a green drink. I don't really know, guys. I don't think I have a green drink, but I do have a couple of green foods that I do eat. I love broccoli. I love asparagus, and I know a lot of y'all don't like broccoli and y'all don't like asparagus, but let me tell you, asparagus, if you cook it right, it's really good. Not everybody know how to cook asparagus, but me, baby, my asparagus is gonna come out just like my steak. It's really good, really good. Okay, so number four, what is your favorite green item you own? It would have to be this shirt that I just showed you. This is my favorite green item. I don't really carry too much green items like that. Number five, what is your favorite thing to do on St. Patrick's Day? I don't really do anything on St. Patrick's Day. The only thing, I try to make sure I wear some type of green so nobody pinching me, and that's about it. Maybe some cute socks or something like that, or a little headband to celebrate it, but I don't really like do anything huge or anything like that. So number six, what is your favorite snack to eat on St. Patrick's Day? I I don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day like that, to where I'm just doing everything St. Patrick's Day. Like I said, it's just mainly me wearing like a shirt, t-shirt, some cute socks, or like a little cute hat or something that says St. Patrick's Day, or Happy St. Patrick's Day. But that's about it. And if I'm really into it, I probably wear some earrings too. But I don't have no favorite snack to eat. Number 7, do you believe in leprechauns or are you Irish? I don't know if leprechauns exist or not. I'm not gonna say I don't believe in them, because I do be seeing some sharp people, so I don't know. That's kind of questionable. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that, because I mean, they do actually have Sharpies. So I don't know if they actually have leprechauns. Who knows? We wasn't around years ago to know if they had some or not. I'm just saying. That's just my opinion. You never know. Some of these people might be leprechauns. Might be walking the earth and y'all don't even know it. But as far as are you Irish, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm Irish. I know my son has a little Irish in him. He found out that he had a little Irish in him. Um Number 8, what is your favorite movie on St. Patrick's Day? Okay, so I don't really have a favorite movie, but let me tell y'all, there is this movie called Leprechauns, I think. It's like a scary movie or something. Like, I don't know, but that movie freaks me out. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I think it had like Snoop Dogg in it. Did it have Snoop Dogg in that one? Did it have Snoop Dogg in that one? The Leprechaun movie. They had Snoop Dogg in it? No? I would have to look that movie up, but I know some of y'all do remember that movie. I know that reminded me of that movie when you said, what is your favorite movie on St. Patrick's Day? That's the only movie I think of around St. Patrick's Day because of leprechauns, of course. And I am terrified to watch that movie because it's so scary to me. And that was like years ago when I watched that when I was younger, and I still wouldn't watch it to this day because it's freaky. Like, I don't like it. So number 9, how much gold is at the end of the rainbow? I don't know, but I always wondered that, but as a child, I always wondered that, and like every single time I see a rainbow, I'm like, I wonder what's at the end of that rainbow. But now as an adult, I'm like, I don't think they got anything at the end of that rainbow, like they say, you know. So I don't think they have any gold at the end of that rainbow, in my opinion. But I enjoyed these questions and I enjoyed doing this tag. And anyone that would like to join in on this tag, y'all go ahead and participate. It's up to you. I'm not going to particularly tag anyone, but this is an awesome tag. And Forever Mimi, thank you for putting these questions together for all of us to participate in it. It's a great way for everyone to show, you know, how they participate in St. Patrick's Day and how they participate in tags and all that. So I enjoyed myself. Thank you guys for watching, and thumbs up this video if you like the questions and answers, and let me know in the comment section, you know, if you are going to be participating or have you participated already, and what do you think about this tag? So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, my minkies.